What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we're checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. And before we head inside the park, we got to check on an old friend. Well, if it isn't our old friend, the bee tree. Bee tree! You never left us. There were still some bees that were left in there, but Mardi Gras is going on, and new ones have been added. Well, it doesn't appear the rumored Universal Studio store has changed much. Maybe some electrical. Yeah, I'm not saying too much. Let's head inside the park. There's the lighthouse. That means we're at Islands of Adventure. Not very busy out here today. Somewhere in the low 70s. Yeah, nobody at the ticket windows or turnstiles. Right side is open and left. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through temperature check, security, or the front entrance. We're on our way. And I actually got a chance to do a survey. I haven't done one of those in a long time. Alrighty guys, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 6. Jurassic Park, River Adventure, and some of the other water rides, 5 minutes. Dr. Doom, 5 minutes. Spider-Man, 45. Kong is 40. P-Flyers is 20. We have 5 minutes for some of the smaller attractions. Seuss Trolley. Hogwarts Express, 40 minutes. Hagrid's is at 60 minutes. Hulk at 15 minutes. Forbidden Journey, 25. And there it is. The Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and different, well, I'm seeing a lift down over by the drop after the top hat. And, well, we haven't been here for about over a week, and we know that crews have been going around the entire track messing with some of the bolts. Interesting. The ride has also not been testing, but we do see a new addition with the raptors being unwrapped. We can also see scaffolding over at Popeyes as it's down for refurbishment right now until February 19th. In other news, we have Hulk here, and the water effects are back on. Or at least one of them, but that's good. Spider-Man, and front entrance still getting work. Normally we have superheroes, but Dr. Doom is on stage today. And we also have the fabulous Betty Boop out. Well, we said it earlier in the video that Popeyes is down until the 19th, so no Popeyes music for all of you that really enjoy it. Sorry guys. And there's a better look at some of that scaffolding. Looks like they're going to be doing a lot of painting. Dudley's, and it's next up on the refurbishment schedule, with it going down February 22nd. Work walls are still up around the smoking section next to Jurassic Park River Adventure. River Adventure, it's open, and over here at Wall City, looks to be about the same as last time.
Dinosaur, not a
walls are still up over here at the bypass bridge, but I can now see fans. And yes, the raptors are still wrapped up. Hello, workers on a lift near the bypass bridge and Helix area. Again, we told you they've been working on some of the bolts, checking things out. Yeah, I don't even know what to make of this area behind Three Broomsticks. And yes, the patio is still closed. Well, we do have a little bit of good news as operations employees are on watch over here behind Mythos and over at Popeyes. So who knows? Maybe there will be testing. Then over here at the ride site, well, we can get a much better look at those raptors that are unwrapped right above the entrance sign. And more of those fans now along the pathway. Hulk, VelociFishies. Lots of them too. And a turtle. Another turtle on the way in, joining his friends. Oh, and construction duck, construction duck. It is the day of the characters as we have Poe and Tigers out also.
There's one down there, fishing. He's floating, he's fishing.
What have I said before, Mr. Bird? Get off my sneech. Well, you're no osprey, but I'll still take video of you. And once Once again, another Alfred Hitchcock scene with the VelociCoaster. Well, first time for me seeing this, but the lights on the brake run are pulsing. Well, we were just about done with our update around 4 p.m. until we saw operations employees over by Mythos and Popeyes. Now fast forward 2.5 hours, it's 6:30 and still no test runs. However, the indicator light for testing just turned on. So if it doesn't happen tonight after park close, it's likely going to happen in the next day. Just to show you that they are playing with the ride, well, that flashing light no longer on. And now back on. Fast forward another 30 minutes and, well, I'm giving up. We tried, guys, we really did. We tried to see it running, but to no avail. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster and the rest of the general park. Unfortunately, testing is not happening, at least while we're in the park today, and it has not happened for the last week. However, that should be changing here very, very shortly. Some of the raptors are unwrapped, a lot more plants and trees are in, the whole area is looking good. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.